On this last window, I'm going to use SIGA's Majvest, which is the house wrap that I'm going to be using on the whole building, and follow the guide that SIGA provides for when you have a window buck like I have right here. You can see the picture or the video guide, or excuse me, the PDF guide that I'll be following, and it has step-by-step how to cut it, how to tape it, everything. And I'll be doing that and documenting it. It's very tight here, so I won't be able to, get it done per the instruction manual, but I'll do as good of a job as I can. Now we're going to run one from the inside to 3 inches past, and then we stretch it around. All right, we can do that. Oh, well, I'm behind with that. So let's get what we need. We'll make 2 of those. We'll bend it, set it. I've attached the Majvest around the window. So first up to here, up and over here, then 8 cuts, 2 up here, 2 down there, 2 down there, 2 over there. Folded this side in, and then put this portion out over it and down. Then took a small piece of wiggle tape and put it in the corner. I'm supposed to have one long one that goes up and over here. I have a hard time accessing down here, so I did it in 2 sections. Did a smaller portion first, now I'm going to do this top portion. It is nice that the tape comes off, or the backing comes off super easily with this split backing. So let's see here. This slides down in here. What a horrible place to demonstrate. Let's see if I can do an okay demonstration of how this is supposed to be done. I got 3 pieces here. So we'll take a small piece. Let's find the back split back. And this one is going to go inside here. Just kind of wrapping it around. It does stretch a bit, so it can stretch around like that. Next piece is going to go down. Now, I have a real hard time getting to it, but we'll give it another shot. It's supposed to come up to right around here. So we'll start there, go over, and then of course supposed to go 6 inches down, but I can't do that. Pull that in. Got this piece, tape it over, and then one last piece goes across this way. Okay, I just got to cut down here without cutting the tape underneath. There we go. Then you fold in this side and go over the top here. And that is it. From here I'm going to cut out the inside of the window. There we go. Clean up the substrate and then go 2 inches up the side with the tape. Let's see how stretchy it is. Okay, first stretch it, then set it. It's a lot easier than just trying to set it. So initially pull, then set. Now we'll take this wiggle of tag and we'll fold it. Get it into the corner here. And corner up on top. We'll pull it to stretch it. You can see the word here stretches, and then so it's a built-in stretch tape like that. Next cut, you can see here it's going to be the whole length here up and down plus 2 inches on top and 2 inches on bottom, so 4 inches extra. So I took half of the backing off. Let's see if we can set it. We'll start up here, about 2 inches past. Okay, that's not 2 inches. Neither is that, but it looks like I made it too big. That's alright. We'll take the other backing off. Alright, then we'll cut, and cut. And as we attach it here, make sure we grab that house wrap, the Majvest. Gotta do that on that side as well. Now that I have taped the sides, I'm gonna get a corner piece, so it's the length of your gem plus 3 inches. The side that says SIGA is where you take the backing off. This is a plastic, not a paper, so it comes off very easily. I found on the zip tapes, but sometimes they don't want to come off in one piece. They want to split up. Let's see here, get that in there. And just like before, pull it first till it cracks, and then you can easily stretch it. So that's not waterproof. Do the same on the other side. For the top, cut it 2 inches longer on each side. Now I'm going to attach one side. I only pulled half of the backing off to try to make it easier on myself. I'm just trying to get my hand off. It's real sticky. There we go. SIGA's not messing around with tapes. They are extremely good tapes. Let's stretch it. There you go. Alright, this buck is ready to receive a window. Taping off the SIGA install here is going to be the same as all the others. We're going to use some SIGA tape down the side here, down the side there, and then one over the top. The advantage of doing it the SIGA one is that the backing is super easy to pull off, and that it's split back. So I'm going to attach it here. There we go. Pull the extra backing off. There we go. And then repeat over here, and then one over the top. I'm supposed to cut this, but I'm gonna try one where I just pull it, stretch it. Oh yeah, stretching is fine. That's a good one. Nice. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how to make the inside of the window on the SIGA window airtight. So what we're gonna do is take this tape right here. It's called SIGA Fentrim IS20, and it comes with this little fold that is going to go against the casement of the window. The other side, which has this same type of tape as the other ones, so you remove that, that goes against your wood. So first thing I'm going to do, cut 4 sections, then take that little piece that comes down, and we're going to cut a slit in it, and that will create our corner. So we'll fold it like that. Alright, so now we're ready to place it. So it's going to go against the trim like this. Once we have it in there, then we can remove this backing and squeeze that against the side. So let's give this a go. Put it here, put that side there. Okay, there we go. All right, now we will place it here and there, push it into the corner. That is the Fentrim IS20 corner. So we'll do that on all 4. I've done this one already. Get that one and that one. Then we're gonna just tape the sides, bottom first, sides, and then the top. I have first measured out the bottom here. We're gonna place it. Well, that should be nice and clean. Then we'll place it, and we'll fold up the backing while we push it into the corner. There we go, excellent. Then remove this backing. That's the bottom done. Now let's do the sides. Place it in the corner. Go. Fold it out. Move it back. Here we go with last piece. I want to see if I can place it this way. Squish it in there. Yeah, actually that seems to be a good way to do it. I like that. We'll get that backing removed started as I push this really good into the corner. There you go. All right, that is the air barrier installed on a SIGA Fentrim IS20 method. That finishes the install using the SIGA method. It's quite a bit of tape that's involved, but the tape is amazing, and having the plastic backing instead of paper backing, while it does create like all this debris, it makes it a lot easier to pull the tape off. It does not separate into many different pieces, which sometimes the zip system tape does. So I'm happy with this one. It does integrate the SIGA Majvest, which is my weather barrier, whereas the other ones I will be taping to it using other tapes. In this case, I'll be using the wiggle tape to tape it just like I would any other seam. So I would recommend it. It's definitely a very, very strong system. All right, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.